Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to get organized with Google Calendar. So let's say you have your Google Calendar and you have a team you'd like to work with. We're going to go over to the left side panel and you can see other calendars. You're going to click on the plus and then click on create new calendar. The whole idea is to work with one calendar with your team and they can stay up to date and avoid schedule clashes. So we're going to name this team Design Team. Our description can be as simple as let's stay on track. Of course, you could set the time zone and you can see the team owner, of course, and we could go ahead and say create calendar. Creation is currently in progress and it says design team successfully created, and you can see it right here, design team. And back on our main calendar, you can see the design team is currently selected. Now I'm going to hover over design team, click on the three dots, click on settings and sharing. And when we scroll down, you can see share with, and you could add more people to your team. So basically you could use this to add your teammates. As we mentioned earlier, when they are added, they will see the schedules on the calendar at the same time. So getting your team to use the same calendar is a great feature. And on the right side panel, you can see Google Keep, tasks, etc. You can click on a task. Then we're going to click add a new task. So we have our title onboarding and you can use the task to set a time. You could click on the calendar to set date and time. You can go ahead and click on the 22nd, set the time. We could say 9:30 a.m. If you want to repeat this, you can click on repeat, but we're going to go ahead and say done. And this will remind your team of the onboarding task that is pending on the designated date. Of course, you can go ahead and click on Google Keep, create a note, and all those in your calendar will have access to this note. Now, if you're using this for yourself, you could keep this in-house and synchronize it across all your devices. Using Google Keep and Task will help you stay organized with your Google Calendar.